your own speed bullet. With the 2011 Cruze, GM offers a thoroughly well-engineered car, with an ultra-strong structure and low center of gravity. Arguably, for the first time in modern history, a Chevrolet compact car is legitimately the classy one of the field. Inside, it's absolutely leaps and bounds above the competition. It and RSQUO. Part Cadillac CTS, part Buick LaCrosse, part Chevrolet Malibu and unmistakably upscale GM. Forget the Civic or Corolla. From the touchable dash panels to the big, comfy seats, our Cruze is fitted out to compare directly with the Accords and Maximas. The interior is spacious. Visibility is outstanding. On the road, this car is genuinely quiet and MDASH. Not from an overabundance of insulation, but from thoughtful design. Not sure there is another car of this size that is so relaxing to run down the freeway for 4 adult passengers. The Cruze is a true world car sold around the globe. Consider our 2011 LT if you are shopping this class and looking to get the best return on your automotive investment dollars. See what it can do for your world. Print this page and call us now for a personalized test drive towards ownership. Please call and ask for Leo Rosier for more information or special pricing. All Hyundais 6 years old or newer with less than 60k miles and Subarus 5 years old or newer with less than 80k miles are pre-certified. Additional charge for certifying.